Friends, now I am presenting our marriage matching premium software in Telugu language. Just choose the language. There is English, Hindi, or Telugu available in this software. You can choose the Telugu language. Select a sample chart. I am selecting a sample chart given here and selecting a sample chart is here. This is very comprehensive software on the field of marriage matching. You can see all the details. I will show you here. The first part, you can add all the details related to partner 1 or partner 2. This is also very important if you are making this personal profile, astrological profile for any of the partner. Second is, now I am changing the chart. You will find 4 type of charts. Now other details. It is very important. You can change all the black and white and other options, outer planets, page numbers, and now this is very important things. How you choose which panchang you are basing your marriage matching. We have given all the important things like default North Indian system, Mridula Trivedi system, Martand Panchang, Janbhumi Panchang, Kasi Vishwanath Panchang, Date Panchang, user defined. You can also define your setting of Panchang. See what the difference is in Indian marriage matching system. There are lot of regional Panchangs and they are not giving the same parameters for matching charts. So we have covered all the systems available in the all the Panchangas available in India. You can see there is 2 options for one code, 5 options for Vashi code. There are 2 options for Tara code. You can choose from here and see the differences. See the differences. They are basis of points. The quotas or the final observation or final points of marriage matching is different in different systems. So you can choose by default all the important things we have given, and you can choose and make your own kind of marriage matching system using this tool. And you can choose the marriage matching system which I can base all the things, all the marriage matching on the particular system you have chosen. Now you can put your details here. There will be no name of our company. You can choose your details and enter these details. Now I have chosen Telugu language and come up the first screen. Here we can see all the details, basic details. You can find it here in partner 1 chart. You can choose all the matching systems. You can click and expand it here. Cover all the marriage matching systems. You can see all the traditional Astkut, Dwadaskut, Kal Prakasika method of marriage matching, Kalidas Kut, which is on base of 20 kutas, 20 kutas are there for Kalidas method. You can find it very detailed in charts pages. The planetary position of that particular boy and girl or partner 1 or partner 2. We have given a progressive matching also, which is very new and very traditional system, which is covered 5 type of matching. One is traditional marriage matching, Guru Sishya matching, business relations matching, same sex matching, and employer employer matching. In the previous sections, or in the market, only sign to sign matching are available for business partnership or for employee employer matching. We have followed the traditional system of marriage matching, and you can see in North India everybody match on the basis of rasis, and in the North India everything is based on nakshatras, mainly based on the nakshatra system of marriage matching. In this progressive matching we have covered both the important things in here. Now come up the tools and other things. So first, this is the important factors for marriage matching. Like we are you are given the strength of seventh house from strength of seventh house from moon. This is called Pragas Paddhati, and it's in this system you can find out the total strength of that particular house and particular planet which is directly involved in marriage matching. So like the Manglik system, if the points of both the boy and girl is identical, then this marriage matching is very fruitful. You can see the parameters we have taken. Like we are going to give the seventh house strength. So what you are I am we are calculating is if this is Vargottam, or in benefic namams, in cruel planet fourth and second without Mars second and 12th lord, in benefic sign aspect by Trikon lord, aspected by cruel planet with 7th lord. These kind of 54 or 56 parameters we have given, and we have taken the benefic point and malefic points. You can see minus is the malefic points and plus is the benefic points. On the basis of this we are calculating total strength of boy and girl charts, and you can find the resultant things. The screen is deep, you can find it here. I will show in the charts. Now this is very important tool. We are checking here in the both the boy and girl which are very fruitful years on the sense of matching or marriage. Now you can see in the 24th year they are 57.33 percent of uh, percent of applicability of marriage in this chart is showing. So you can choose both the boy and girl chart. Will compute on the basis of these factors. We are calculating the strength of particular year for purpose of marriage. What are the chances available in this particular year, and why these points are coming, you can see here. Now Prashna system. There are 23 or 24 type of prashnas available. Whether this marriage will be fruitful, what the relations with in-laws, and all kind of questions which is come in the mind when you are going to matching the chart. And this is purely on the Hori system of Vedic astrology, totally based on the Hori system of Vedic astrology. What the answer is coming on present transit chart or Hori chart. This tool will calculate what is the probable age of marriage. You can see we are given a lot of systems available for finding the probability of age for the marriage. You can find it here: probability of month, probability of date, probability of weekdays. We have given three tools. Like, see, if we are going to the village side, the marriage very soon is possible, but in cities and metros the marriage is delayed. So we have given three tools: increase, normal, and delayed reduced date of marriage. You can find it here, both the boy and chart available. This is the particular we have entering on the birth screen. This is the matrimonial match system. You can put all the charts, you can choose all the charts, and on the basis of your parameter the software will calculate the marriage point of both the charts. And if you had selected 100 charts, this will come up with the your condition. It will search on the basis of your condition and give the results. You can print it also. This is the tool for matrimonial matching or one to many matching. If you have a boy chart and you have 100 girls chart, you can uh, calculate all the probability on the basis of your condition at once. This is the both the boy and girl important charts. You can click and find it anywhere. Now this tool is very important. This tool is provided by one very learned Maharashtrian astrologer, and his name is Prakash Nathu. And in this tool we are adding up all the planets longitude, like ascendant to ascendant, sun to sun, moon to moon, and we'll find some observation on this basis of this tool. You can show it in the marriage matching section. I will show you the observation of that particular Yuga Kundli or conjoined Kundli. Conjoined both the longitude, planetary longitude of both the boy and girl, and we come up with a new longitude and latitude and new chart. These are the nakshatra system, bhav nakshatra, graha nakshatra, and other things. This tool is also available and very informative on the basis of planetary things. Now come up with the chart and tables menu, cover page, astrological particulars of both the boy and girl. Now benefic and malefic factors on the basis of the lagnas. You can find it here. 9 planetary positions 1. We have given different type of planetary positions. The display is different. This is also very important things. We have given dasa also. You can find the planetary positions. This is nakshatra, important nakshatra part. Isthuna, Trinadi, and Nautara chakras of both the boy and girl available here. Vimshutri dasa for both the boy and girls side by side. So it will be very useful for matching the things. Sodasberga we have given all the relations also in Sodasvarga. You can see it here. Relation of sun to sun in the Lagna Kundli or Hora Kundli, or what the relations they have in that particular Kundli. It is also very important tool for matching charts. Now this is the Yuga Kundli details, the tools I have shown you, and on the basis of this yoga of adding boy sun and girl moon, and adding girl sun and boy moon, it is very important. You can find the sign and nakshatra also, and we have used in our marriage matching system also, like we have given Astkut one page. You can print it here from Astkut. Astkut second, this is on the basis of Janbhumi. Here we have checking the Dvidadas, Navam Pancham and Satastak dosas also, and if any parihar or exception is available for the matching of that particular points. In the support some part of our country, they are on the basis of these exceptions, they are giving some points also, and we have used that Yum Kundli on for if the marriage is, the Astkut is available in any malefic yoga, then astrologer will give some instruction to the client. This is also very important thing. This is a Patrika Milan. Here we are matching lords. The first lord, second lord, is 8 lord. This is planet to planet matching, and on the basis of the points you can find, and the relations of these lords available in 2 charts. Now the other scooters, and the other scooters is there, 20 kutas. This is Kalidas method of these kutas. This is very ancient system of marriage matching. Now the Kal Prakasika method of marriage matching on the 0101 basis. And this is the strength I have shown you on the dialog box. Overall conclusion you can see. See all the points, what the Benfic and LP total points is coming. You can see, and the observation of here. These are the traditional marriage matching. We have covered it all. Now we come up the progressive matching. We have covered all the details of. Now we'll start with the business matching. We have give the traditional matching. Now the first part or first page will cover the Manglik dosas conclusion. You can see it here. The matching, this kind of matching is very informative. Now the sign based matching, like Rasi Adhipati and Rasi Lard and other things, you can find it here. Now nakshatra based matching, the Deen, Mahendra and other kutas matching. Nakshatra agreement 2, it is also available on the basis of the nakshatras. You can see it here. Now Grah Dos match, this is Grah Samya also. You can see all the things. Now on the basis of Vimshotri Dasa, we have given one matching, and the observation is also present in this system. In astrology, if both the boy and girl changing their dasas in 1 year period, then the marriage is very difficult. So this kind of matching will help you finding that kind of obstacles. Now mutual planetary position, the significators of marriage, the planets which is signified the marriage, and what they have the positions and all the things. On the basis of these particular points, we have matching on this particular traditional matching. Now the final conclusion page, this is the detailed report card, you can find it here. Everything we have comprises on one pages. This is very important and very useful tool for marriage matching. Not only marriage matching, you can see all the things like business matching. We have all the detailed report card and other things, what the important planets we are taking. Like in marriage matching, the Venus is very important. For in business matching, there is no use of Venus. And for in business matching, we are covering. Uh, you can see the different Manglik dosas. Manglik dosas are not one 1 8 and the traditional type of system. We have covered 1 3 and 4 positions. So everywhere in every system of matching we have given differences, and you can find it here in all the planetary positions and all the matching. So friends, this is our marriage matching premium software in Telugu language. Thank you.